guys, this is Grace and welcome to process video number 173 entitled You Are Loved. And this is my third layout from the latest flavors of the month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club. This is part of the February monthly kit, and it features the crate paper La La Love collection, as well as some of the items from the embellishment add-on kit. And this is also my page for my Freaky Fast Friday challenge assignment this month. If you are new to the ScrapRoom Kit Club, we share a bunch of challenges with you every month, but the two that are usually posted in the beginning of the month is the sketch challenge as well as the Freaky Fast Friday challenge. And what the Freaky Fast Friday is you get a certain amount of paper measurements, and you are to cut your papers that exact measurement, that exact sizes, and then you are to only use those specific cut apart or cut out papers and to make your layout. So I really like it because it does make your process fast because you are just working with certain parameters, but at the same time it makes you think out. Anyways, for me, it makes me think outside of the box. So with this particular measurement grouping, I don't know if that's the right words, but anyways, it had three and a quarter by 4 1/4 piece of paper, and there's 3 of them, and so I place them on the bottom, and that will hold my title and my journaling and some other accents. I am using 3 4x6 photos, and I will be trimming 2 of them down. The horizontal ones I will be trimming to maybe, like, I don't know, 4-inch square, and then the vertical one I will keep as a 4x6, and that will be my focal point photo. So these photos are just me and my husband. These were actually taken on his birthday about 2 years ago, so that was in September. But I just thought that, these products have hearts and talk about love, and since he is my best love, because that's what I call my husband, my best love, and so I decided I will document some of the things that I feel about our marriage and our relationship. And how appropriate is the title block that I found from the die cut pack, which says You Are Loved, because he really truly makes me feel loved every time. I mean, he does all sorts of small services for me, all these little things that he does for me and our children that just truly makes me feel loved. And so moving forward with my page, there is another block of paper that's part of the formula for this challenge, which was, I think it was like a 3 by 12 or maybe 2.5 by 12, something like that. But instead of using it as a whole, I actually cut it apart and put it on the bottom and the top of my page to kind of extend it, so there's some pattern peeking behind my photos in front of the cardstock. Now I had adhered everything already, well, almost everything, and I really enjoyed making this layout because of all the die cuts and the little embellishments that I could add on to the 3.5 by 4.5 pieces of paper on the bottom. And because some of the elements are tags, I decided to add some twine. This is the same twine that I used for my first layout about 2 process videos ago, and I'm just using brown. I also inked up the edges of all of my elements in this particular page, even the cardstock background, because it just felt like it needed some kind of shadow so that you can distinguish the kind of the edges of the page. I don't know, I like to do it that way, just so it helps me to visually see the page. I don't know if that makes sense, but I like it that way. Anyways, so I'm just adding the tags, and then I will be adding a square block that I found in the die cut pack, and that will house my handwritten journaling. Again, I'm kind of doing some things differently than what I normally do, and one of those things is to handwrite my journaling. I usually just print off um, all of my journaling and from the computer, but this time around I actually wrote two or handwritten my journaling on two of the layouts that I created for the ScrapRoom Kit Club this month. And so, because I still kind of a little bit OCD when it comes to my handwriting, I decided that I will draw some lines on this particular block and write down my journaling so that it will be a little bit straighter. And I am actually using a pen that was from the January add-on kit. It is a pen from, I believe, Chamel American Crafts, and it's really nice. I really like the ballpoint. I think that's what's called the ballpoint part of the pen. There is a brush side to it, but I like the ballpoint. So that's what I used here, and that's what I'm going to add to my page. And again, if you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. I hope that you guys are liking these videos. If you do like them, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel or have not subscribed, please do so, because I do post a few layout videos every month. I do not have a set schedule for my videos. I usually have a ton in the beginning because of the showcasing the flavors of the month kit layouts, and I do have one on the 15th of every month because of the monthly celebration series that I'm doing with a few other YouTubers. But other than that, my schedule is kind of, you know, flexible, not so rigid. But I do hope that you come back, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye.